Absolutely. And the important thing here is really that we need more people to speak up. It should not be necessary that the wife of a politician and the politician himself, in this case myself, have to experience trauma for politics to take it serious.
Yeah.
Do you think it's more powerful that it's a male voice speaking up?
I hope not.
I hope not as well. I think it doesn't really matter whether it's a man or a woman saying it. But
I think it does, personally, because
I believe
if a man is bringing up a subject that they haven't physically experienced, I think it actually does carry more weight.
It's an interesting point you make, because when I wrote the article, we had a long discussion in the office about it, and I had long talks with Christine about should we, shouldn't we, couldn't it be seen as using your personal trauma for political gain? And this was one of the concerns we had. Every time we open up, people can criticize us for using it, for abusing our personal experiences. And I find that so sad, because part of what makes it important to have a diverse set of voices in politics and in parliament is that we get all those perspectives into lawmaking.